Hi everybody, I'm Beau Dieda, colorist and extension specialist, better known as Bosif on Instagram. I'm here at the hair shop in Hollywood today to talk to you about education. Ask any extraordinary stylist what the key to their success is, and I guarantee you they'll say education. No matter what level you're at in your career, finding the right education resource for you is so important to elevating your skill as a stylist and ultimately increasing your revenue. We're here to give you a deep dive into what makes education with the hair shop the best investment for you. Stick around. Okay, so I'm here with Mr. Ryan Toko, the founder of the hair shop, and lead educator Heather Smith. Guys, thanks for having us.
Thanks for coming, Beau.
Good to see you.
Mr. Toko, you started the hair shop in 1988. Tell us a little bit about what you envisioned it to be.
Yeah, I started the hair shop 30 years ago. At the time, I thought the education is a very important factor for the business. With the proper knowledge of the extension, they can be succeeding in their business. So that's why we create the Extension Masterclass.
Amazing. And today, what is the Extension Masterclass and how does it serve so many stylists?
Yeah, so the EMC class is a hands-on training course held at select hair shop stores nationwide. What you get with our class is you're gonna master 7 professional techniques, and we really cover everything you need to know. We go over application, removal, even reuse.
Wow.
We even dig into pricing strategies, maintenance, and blending tips.
That's so amazing, Heather, because there's not a lot of companies out there that give you that one-on-one, hands-on training experience.
Exactly. With our class, we really set you up for success. We send you home with a framed certificate, student manual, and mannequin head display to showcase all the new skills you learned at your salon.
That's so cool. So the EMC class is really an all-encompassing class for the hairdresser to learn all the methods in depth. Now, you also, speaking of techniques, have a techniques class. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, exactly. So our technique class is one method of the stylist's choice per session. And that class is great because it really allows stylists to become specialized in the technique that they want to learn most.
That's amazing, you guys. Thank you so much for taking the time out to talk to us about education today. So for all you guys out there, we offer all of this in the Los Angeles, New York, and San Francisco locations, as well as at your cosmetology school or in your salon. If you're ready to make the next step out there, go online and reserve your seat. Thanks for watching, and we'll be seeing you guys very soon.